Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Survi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Pisces. The Queen of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Empress, the Death card, the Nine of Swords, and the Devil. Okay. Sun, the Two of Cups, and the Fool. He's taking out few more cards to have clearer messages, because better messages, I should say, some hopeful messages, because we have the Death card and the Devil. So I thought of pulling out some more cards to see what's ahead, lies ahead. Okay, yeah, and the Ace of Swords, Six of Swords, the Knight of Wands, okay. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. Two of Hearts, guidance from the angels, Healer of Thought, let's take this. I saw this immediately, I would like to take it. Okay, just putting them up so that you can see all the cards, the camera. Okay, so Pisces, I think this thing immediately this has caught my eye, the Empress and the Death card. It was this something like this was there in few readings, I think past month or before that something started and immediately ended. Now let's see. Anyway, so there is a situation in your life which you are very, very emotional about, Pisces, with the Queen of Cups and with the Queen of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. So there is a situation in your life which you are very, very emotional about, and you feel that this person or this situation is going to give you some sort of stability, some sort of commitment, or at least you want it. You want some stability with them, you want some commitment from them, perhaps you want something stable from them, but it's been a long time. So there is a situation you are emotional about which you feel is going to give you a lot of stability, and you've been waiting for it since a long, long time, maybe few years, at least 1 year, or maybe even more than that, and you are just thinking as to what to do. That is the only thing. You have everything with you. It's not that you are lacking anything, but the thing is that you have the emotions, you have the resources, but you want stability from this situation. At least you see stability in this situation. Okay, but the decision is in somebody else's hand. So you're waiting for this to happen, it's just not happening. And one more thing is, what I am getting here is that now you're not that emotional, though you still have it in your mind and heart, but you're not that emotional about that situation as you were before this time. Yeah, that is very very important. So there is a situation you're very very emotional about, it's been a long time, you think it should have some sort of stability, or it is going to give you some stability, but the thing is it's just not happening, and you are also not that emotional about this situation now as the time passes. Okay, though it is still there, it's not that you have got over it, but you're not that emotional about it. That is very very sure. Okay, but you still have it in your mind, you still want it. It's not that you don't want it, but you've learned to live with it, sort of. Or maybe you're okay with it. Okay, it's not, you've got used to the fact that it doesn't happen, so you're not that emotional about it. You have sort of maybe made yourself strong, perhaps. It's something like that. Okay, and here with the Four of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and with the Empress, what I feel here is that you have, as I said, that you are not that emotional about that situation now. You are also closed off, not investing in the situation much, and you are pretty much in control of yourself. You are pretty much in control of yourself. You have taken the situation in your control, basically, because you were tired of waiting, things were just not happening. Initially you were very very emotional about it, you didn't have any control on it, and you were very very emotional in that situation. Okay, so it was just all over you, and now you have taken that control or that grip on that situation, though it is still in your mind, but it's okay. It's something like that, it's okay. You have taken back the power, you have also closed off, you are not stopped investing in it, and things are under your control now. And what I'm getting here is that with the Eight of Pentacles, you've started working hard on something else. Maybe you're diverting your mind towards something. Maybe you've just left that situation there. Okay, let it be. Whatever happens, happens. Because it's already been enough time that you've been waiting for a result which is just not coming. So maybe you have closed the chapter to this, in the sense that though it is still there, but you won't invest because you know the other person isn't investing, the things are just not happening. So you've started working on something else, or it's, suppose it was an emotional aspect, things were just not happening, so okay, let me focus on my work, or let me focus on something else, or let me at least do my work, otherwise everything will be spoiled if I keep on waiting for this situation to happen. Okay, so it's something like that. So if you keep on waiting for this to happen, and this is the only focus of your life, so your whole life will end like this only. So you've just taken control over it, and it's just like, okay, let me do something else. Okay, I can't waste my life like this. You've shifted the focus. Yeah, shifted the focus is the right word. You've shifted your focus on something else. That's what I said. You've diverted your mind, you've shifted your focus to something else, you've started working very hard, and you are pretty cool and okay with that, whatever you are doing. And this is giving you a lot of abundance also. There's a new beginning, abundance, and this, whatever you are working hard on, that different thing, there's something else, is giving you a lot of abundance, in the sense that it's raising your self esteem, you are back in your power, you are feeling happy, you are content. Okay, so you are not that emotional about it. You are now you're the Empress, in the sense like you feel very very content in this situation. Okay, you have taken back the power, basically, that's what I'm getting. Okay, you have begun a new life for yourself, you're thinking about yourself, you're focusing. Maybe this work, you have diverted your mind, you've shifted the focus to yourself, perhaps because you've started working on yourself, and that is what you have, the result is the Empress. You are now strong, you're solid, you have abundance, you have made things for your own, you've started focusing on your life. Perhaps this is the shift of the focus, perhaps. Okay, it can be some other work also, it can be your, but whatever you have focused on, it's giving you good results, and it is giving you a sense of satisfaction and abundance and a new beginning also. So it is definitely a new beginning for you, in the sense of self-worth, at least. Okay, and maybe other abundances also. And this Empress is followed by the Death card, the Nine of Swords, and the Devil card. What I feel here is that there are still times when you feel anxious on this situation. Maybe you feel obsessed still sometimes on this situation. Okay, that's what I feel, because though you have raised your self will, self power, abundance is there, but followed immediately is the Death card. So something is ending over here, and that end is causing you a lot of anxiety. And this is because of that inner work, or your it's your own thought process, something in your psyche which need to be corrected basically. Okay, so maybe you are able to regain your power, and again you lose that control, and again you fall back into the same pattern. It can be that, because devil can be talking about the pattern. Maybe you again fall back to the into the same pattern again and again. It can be that also. Maybe these are the phases which are coming in your life, because perhaps you have worked enough on yourself, and you feel that you are empowered, and there are phases perhaps in which you feel that, okay, now I am feeling so helpless, I am feeling so bad, I have those anxious and sleepless nights, and it is because of these patterns which you have in your life. Maybe these things need to be corrected, the patterns, or maybe that obsessiveness on maybe they are, suppose they are 15 days, 10 days in which you feel very happy and content and empowered, and then there's another week or 4 days, 5 days, or whatever. There is a phase of life which comes in which again you feel tense, again everything ends, this thing ends, this feeling of abundance, this feeling of richness, the feeling of self-esteem, again you want it back. Maybe you're again emotional for the same situation, maybe again you feel like having it all, whatever it is. So again you have those tensions and those sleepless nights, and it is because of the fact that you have that pattern. You need to get rid of that pattern basically. That's what I feel. That's what I feel, because it is this pattern which catches you up again and again, which causes the tension. And we have the Sun card, the Two of Cups, and the Fool with the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is that if you are able to correct this patternism or this obsession or these phases of your life which end your abundant feeling or that empowered feeling of yours, if you correct this situation, what I feel that again it is the Sun and the Two of Cups and the Fool. So what I feel here is that again after this negative phase there is a happy phase. Here you are waiting, you have worked on yourself, the happy phase, back in control, and again you are upset over here, and again there is, just see the contrast, the Death card, the Nine of Swords, and the Devil. Okay, so all tension, anxiety, upset, not able to sleep, and that phase. Okay, and again immediately just see after that, just see the contrast of energy with the Sun card, the Two of Cups, and the Fool, and the Ace of Swords. So definitely again you are immediately happy, and followed is the Two of Cups and the Fool. So here you are able to embark on a new journey, you are able to take that leap of faith, and maybe you get this connection perhaps. Maybe it can be because this person comes back in your life, perhaps it can be that also, but there is, or maybe you are able to correct that pattern once again, and again you are happy because you have done this before. This pattern you have corrected before, you have the Empress, you have feel empowered before also. So maybe again you are able to deal with this negative situation or negative mindset or a negative pattern of yours, and you are happy over here. But here with the Two of Cups and with the Fool and with the Ace of Swords, I feel that maybe here comes in this connection or some other connection, I really don't know, but there is definitely a connection coming in, and you are ready to take the leap of faith, and there is a new beginning. There is a new beginning over here. Okay, and you will be trusting your destiny sort of, and you will take that leap of faith and move ahead. So what I feel is, maybe after this negative phase, maybe this person comes with a commitment or opens up perhaps, or maybe someone new, but definitely there is a situation which is coming up which is going to give you a new happiness and new beginning and happiness basically. Okay, or maybe you, once you are able to get rid of this pattern and identify this pattern of yours, and you are able to deal with it as you have done before, and you are happy. So once you regain that happiness of yours, you are into a new fresh new beginning, and you are ready for a new relationship. It can be that also, but definitely there is something new and happy coming in. With the Six of Swords, what, and the Eight of Cups, Knight of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles, you are definitely moving away towards peace. You are moving towards peace, moving away from the emotional turbulence, towards peace. Okay, and with the Knight of Wands and the Two of Pentacles, what I feel here is, somebody is, you are, though you are being indecisive about something, or maybe you have two options, but you really want to rush in towards something, some situation very very passionately. So there is a new situation which is the source of your happiness basically, which is coming up, a new source of happiness, or maybe this person, I really don't know, whatever it is, but you will find some happiness which will sort of leave help you to leave the tensions and the negative parts, and you will negative aspects of your life, and you will be moving towards peace, and you would like to rush in towards this situation. Okay, though there may be some indecisive types, there may be a situation in which you need to decide upon, but, or as to what to do, what not to do, but what I feel here is, there is a new happiness which is coming in over here. This person, another person, I don't know. Okay, either you are ready for this connection once you have dealt with your negativities, and then you are ready to take a new beginning with somebody. It can be that, or it is because this person comes, that is not sure. It will, can be different for different people, but definitely you will be moving towards peace, that's for sure, and new beginning is there. With the Two of Hearts, it's talking about moderation. You need to moderate your emotions, and that's what you are doing. Moderating the situations, moderating your emotions, and if you do this moderation thing wisely, you will be able to get rid of this negative patterns and this anxiety and tensions. Healer of Thought. It's time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. Wow, that's what I was saying. You do it and you're back into it. So you need to clean it up. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give you back should be released as well. What was happening over here when we started the reading? They were waiting and waiting and waiting over here, but things are just not happening. You have taken the control back. You are back in power, but again you fall into the same trap. That's what I feel. You need to get rid of this. Now it's more clear. Okay, you need to get rid of this clutter. People who take from you but don't give you back should be released as well. You or another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful, and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor, and offers a lot of life experience. So you need to heal yourself. You need to get rid of the clutter, and that's what I said. Once you are able to get rid of this negativity and you are back in a position of happiness, you will be able to able to make yourself ready for a new relationship or a new partnership, whatever it is. Okay, and you can do that only once you are able to get rid of this clutter and this negativity and this anxiety. Because I was saying again, new and new and new, because I don't think this is materializing. It can be that this person comes up, but I really don't know, not very sure. New beginning, again, number 0. What is, you are at a beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world if you just free yourself from what holds you back. That's what I'm saying. Just free yourself from what holds you back. New opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. Yeah, that's what I was saying. New opportunities will present them. Just believe that this is not the right thing. If it is not happening, leave it. You have taken back your power. You have worked hard on yourself. You have regained your position and power and your that self-empowerment. You've shifted your focus, but don't keep on falling to that trap again and again. Okay, heal yourself, come out of it, and the new beginning is being offered to you in life. Okay, so Pisces, it is a beautiful reading. Joe, initially I was being a little sort of as to why the death and the devil card is there, but now the things are clear. You need to declutter your life. Only then you will be ready for the new beginnings and what life is offering you. So just see what life is offering you rather than focusing on what life is not giving you and you are running after it basically. Okay, Pisces, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.